with the CSA cement, they hold up to the freeze thaw as well.
And that CSA cement, where do you get that?
So we have suppliers in New Mexico. There's a couple of places that we purchase that. And it really is, I think Kelly mentioned that, it's a developed for road repair material. So they need to be able to repair some of these freeways very quickly with a very strong material. And we found that this works really well for our product because it reaches, 10,000 PSI and reaches 4,000 PSI in 24 hours. In 7 days, it's 10,000 PSI.
And just to put that in perspective, you're only required, I think, 2,500 PSI on your concrete foundation slab.
Right.
Now, we pour it in much higher,
Right.
but that's like the minimum code requirement is 2,500. So you're already 4 times that.
We're already 4 times that. It's important because it's a thinner casting than a driveway. Driveway has mass, and it really works well for this product.
Yeah, and we have it, in high mountain areas in Colorado.
A lot of freeze thaw, icicles that'll get 4 or 5 feet long,
Critical.
Yeah.